We're doing the wiring on extra parts, and I just figured I'd show you guys a better way to make a quick disconnect connection. You can buy all these parts at your local auto parts store. Napa is pretty good for having them. I think CarQuest, maybe not AutoZone, O'Reilly and those, but they probably can get them too. So you're gonna need some pins. They come in both female and male. You're gonna need the rubber insulators, different colors or different wire sizes. And then you're gonna need connectors. They come in 4s, 3s, 2s, and then they also have the other side, which is this is the male side. They have the female side that these hook into. You can buy them new, or if you go to the junkyard and you're willing to spend the time, you can cut these off some old cars. If you're gonna do this one, you're gonna need a release tool to get the pins out. Step 1, insert your rubber insulator on the wire. Just push it up out of your way. Step 2, strip the wire back about 1/4 of an inch. Step 3, I like to take the crimp that holds the insulator and just put a little start in it, like that. Step 4, insert the pin on the wire and use the appropriate slot on your crimping pliers. And it's important to make sure that the rounded edge goes towards the open end of the pin. Crimp the wire on, shouldn't come off. Step 5, insert the insulator into the part of the pin that's made to hold it, using the appropriate spot on your crimpers. Crimp that. Step 6, insert the pin into the connector body and then do your other wire. Once you have both wires installed into your connector body, flip the lock over and lock the whole thing together. Now you have a quick disconnect, weatherproof connection. See you soon.